In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record the cost of goods sold, or COGS, in QuickBooks Online. This is a critical task for any business because accurately recording COGS helps you understand your profitability and manage your finances effectively. Let's dive in and walk through it step by step. To get started, when you log into QuickBooks Online, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the top left corner of your screen, where you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that. Doing this will open a variety of options for you to choose from, but right now, we are interested in creating a journal entry. So, from the drop-down menu, select Journal Entry. This will bring up a new window where you can begin recording your COGS. Once you're in the Journal Entry section, the first task is to enter the journal date. The date you input should reflect the period in which the sale and corresponding cost occurred. This ensures your financial records align correctly over time, and such rigor can be vital for accurate financial analysis and reporting. Moving forward, direct your attention to the journal entry table. For the first line in this table, you'll want to select Cost of Goods Sold as the account name. It's important to remember that COGS measures the direct costs attributable to the production of the goods you sell, including material and labor costs. Once you've selected the Cost of Goods Sold account, it's time to enter its debit amount. This amount will represent the cost associated with the goods you've sold, and this entry will help reduce your overall inventory value while moving those costs into your expenses. Next, proceed to the second line of the journal entry. Here you'll need to select your inventory asset account. Be sure that the credit amount you enter for the inventory asset account matches the debit amount for your Cost of Goods Sold account. This way, the total debits and credits in your journal entry will be equal, maintaining the balance of your books, a fundamental aspect of accounting practices. After you've reviewed everything and ensured that all details are captured accurately, it's time to save your work. In the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see an option labeled Save and New. Select this to save your recent journal entry, making sure your entry is recorded properly in QuickBooks Online. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've successfully recorded the cost of goods sold in QuickBooks Online. By keeping this practice consistent, you'll ensure that your accounting records provide an accurate picture of your business's financial health, allowing you to make informed decisions as you move forward. Thank you for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping!